Hello everyone, my name is Ukakas Fitri Kurniawidi and I will give my opinion about smoke in campus area. A healthy faculty environment is a dream for academic various universities. Not only a clean and healthy environment, but also an environment free from cigarette smoke is also highly desired by some academics. Smoking is detrimental to oneself, especially if smoking on campus. Smoking on campus is not good because it can disturb others who do not smoke. The cigarette smoke emitted will be inhaled by others, and there have been many cases of passive smokers or people who do not smoke suffer from lung disease due to cigarette smoke from active smokers. In addition, cigarette butts that are sometimes thrown carelessly on campus have an environmental impact on the surrounding area. The importance of awareness from smokers where not smoking in just any place. If someone does not have awareness, no matter how and even if given education, he will not care. Instead, ignoring and considering education unimportant, so with a little understanding to not smoke on campus, we can create a campus environment that not only support intellectual growth, but also protect everyone from the negative impact of smoking. The importance of real action is creating a healthy and smoke-free environment on campus is critical to realize a healthier, more prosperous and more productive for future for all elements of society. Thank you. The question words. What is meant by the question words? The question words or W question is a question word in English that begins with the word WH. WH questions are used to ask for information, requiring in the other person to provide a clear answer. In English, they are also known as open question. You cannot answer a question in the form of a WH question with only a yes or no. Example of WH question and how to answer them. Where's the bag? It's in the room next to the reception. What is included in the question words? 1. What? What is question word that functions to ask about something or something related to someone? Example of it used in sentence. 1. What are you doing? 2. What is your name? 3. What do you think about the movie? Besides being used to find information about something, the word what can also be used to ask for repetition or confirmation of what someone else has said. For example, 1. What? I can hear you. 2. You did what? 2. Where? If you want to find out information about the location, purpose, or position of someone or something, the correct question word to use is where. Example 1. Where do they live? 2. Where is your mom? 3. Where is my phone? 3. Why? This word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. For example, why do you love me? 2. Why it did happen? 3. Why are you crying? 4. When? Of course, when is used to ask about the time of something. This question word is closely related to adverb of time, which can be used to answer this type of question. For example, 1. When do you finish college? 2. When did she leave? 3. When will the meeting start? 5. Which? Which is a question word in English that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options, to assist us in decision making, or to identify a specific object or person in particular situation or context. For example, which color do you want? 2. Which extracurricular do you join in? Which one do you choose, the left or right? 6. Who? Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who help us identify the relevant person or subject in a context. For example, 1. Who are you? 2. Who is your favorite Korean artist? 3. Who opened the window? 7. Whom? Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between the subject and object in sentences. For example, 1. Whom are you going to meet? 2. Whom was Teddy talking to? 3. Whom opened the window? 8. Whose? Whose is question word in English that is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. For example, 1. Whose car is parked outside? 2. Whose are these novels? 3. Whose wallet is this? Is it yours? 9. Who? Who is an English question word used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. For example, how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. 2. How much money do you have? 3. How was your action? How to form the question words? 1. The question word with auxiliary verb. Here is the formula for WH question with auxiliary verb. WH mean plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have, plus subject plus main verb plus question marks. For example, when are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they decided? 2. The question words with modal verbs. Modal verbs include can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, and must. Here's the formula. WH mean plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question marks. For example, 1. Who would he stay with? 2. What should I do? 3. What should we read books? 3. The question words without auxiliary or modal verbs. This formula shows that the WH itself has replaced the subjects. The formula is WH mean plus main verb plus question marks. For example, who won the game? Whose phone rang? Who booked this? Negative the question words. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do when there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb. For example, 1. Who doesn't want an ice cream? 2. Which door didn't open? That's all for me. Thank you for listening.